Hi guys. So there were many questions that what was asked to me in my interview from my last video. So I thought कि इसका वीडियो बनाते हैं. So I'll start topic wise. So first from Linux, he asked me कि Linux का फाइल स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, एक रूट के अंदर क्या होता है, होम बिन एस बिन etc opt, then command to list file ls, command to create file touch, uname command किस लिए यूज होता है to get the system information, then for checking the users logged in into the system, so users होता है उसके लिए command, ip address if config, to insert something in file so we use vi, what have you written in scripts, bash मतलब using shell script, what is shebang line, and what the command to find file system disk space usage, all these commands. एंड देन गिट में उन्होंने मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि इफ़ यू हैव टू मर्ज स्पेसिफिक कमिट इन आर मास्टर ब्रांच देन व्हाट कमांड वी यूज, सो गिट चेरी कमांड इज यूज फॉर दैट. देन मेवन से पूछा कि what is in pom.xml file, and what command of Maven is used to create new project, so that is mv and archetype generate. Then what are Maven repos, what are the types of Maven repos, local repo, remote repo, central repo, what are the life cycle and goal of Mavens, then what are you using as remote repo in your project. Then in Jenkins, he asked that on which language Jenkins is written, and types of pipeline project. So that is freestyle, Maven, scripted, and all that. Then syntax of scripted and declarative way, whole, all the stages. And then Jenkins CLI command to start Jenkins server. So CLI command to start Jenkins server. Then in Docker, he asked me the syntax of Docker file, difference between entry point, CMD, and what is Docker stack, and command to remove unwanted networks, Docker system prune, can we overwrite environment variables, and the difference between Docker and Kubernetes, and command to run Docker compose file. Then from Kubernetes, architecture of Kubernetes, command to run Kubernetes manifest file, sorry. Then what happens if master node fails? Then what happens to worker nodes? Will it be running? So yes, it will be running, but if the load increases because master node is not working properly, it won't be able to create new nodes for it. Okay. And also what is etcd used for, and what is type of scaling is used. And he also said ki if I want before deployment I have to run few instructions before deployment, what can we use, so that types of container, init container, sidecar container, and ephemeral, so you can explore that. And he also asked me in Kubernetes. Okay, I'll try to recall and then tell you. Then from Ansible, he asked me the components of Ansible, Ansible roles, then what is Ansible Galaxy, and then what is ad hoc command, and then what is host used for, what is task, and can we write anything else before host, and can Ansible be installed on Windows, and what is the command to check the syntax of the playbook file, and what is the command to run the playbook file, and what is so in Kubernetes, he also asked me what is headless, and what is stateful set, and what the other main pointers we write in under spec in manifest file. So selectors, replicas, and template. So what all there is there in template? So in template we give the what the metadata of our containers that we are going to create in pod. So what is the difference between pod and container? Okay. And from AWS he was asking what is balancing, load balancer, and what happens if, like, uh, if some I think something kind of backup snapshot he was asking. Snapchat where he gave me some scenario I'm not able to recall. And from Terraform he asked me Terraform commands, like what are the basic commands of Terraform. Then if I don't want to so when we type Terraform apply, it asks us yes or no. So I don't want that prompt to come. I want that my that there is one command Terraform apply auto approve, so it will not ask that that prompt will not come yes or no. Then if I have environment like prod, staging, UAT, and I have to make I have what can be used for make, like only the environment name, some configuration is changing and something. So what is better to use? So the answer was Terraform workspace. And then in Terraform he asked me that what is TF state file, and how can we secure it, and what are the best methods. So you can say that we can store it in remote. We should store it in some remote server, remote backend server, and there should be backups scheduled for it, and state locking should be done. So that if another person making some changes, then somebody else change should not be should, if other person is doing it, should not happen. So there is a lock created. So yeah, these are the few things which I'm able to recall. And I hope it will help you all. So yeah, thank you, bye.